Hi, my name is Assam. If you are interested in learning Python, that I'm willing to coach you in learning Python. Python is a very powerful programming language. Learning Python will enhance your skills, and you can also make money by make coding in Python. Python is a very powerful programming language that is being used in website building. Python Django framework is a very powerful web framework. Instagram is built with Django. You know, Instagram is a very popular website. Python is also used on YouTube. So you can see Python is being used in these big websites. Python is also used in artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and data science. Right now, Python is the most popular language when it comes to artificial intelligence, data science, machine learning, and deep learning. Python is also used in blockchain development. If you are trading stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies, or you are an investor, you can also use Python in making better trading decisions and better investing decisions. So if you are interested in the learning Python, you can use the link below in the description where I provide a link to the P-Reply site where I have a profile. I teach Python there. You can register for the site and contact me if you want to learn Python. I will start off by teaching you the basic stuff, basics of Python. Then we'll move on to what is a list, a dictionary. After that, we start with the object-oriented programming. It's very important that you master object-oriented programming. I'll teach you how we build classes with Python, and then we instantiate objects of those classes. Then I'll show you how we can use Python in algorithmic trading. I will teach you a few trading strategies. I'll show you how we back test them. You can use these trading strategies in trading stocks, currencies, cryptocurrencies. After that, I will teach you how to build a website using the Django framework. And in the end, I'll also teach you how to build a blockchain using Python. So if you are interested, you can find the link in the description, register yourself in the P-Reply and contact me. I will be willing to teach you and coach you personally in learning Python. Once you have mastered Python, you can earn good money building websites or doing data science. So learning Python skills has got a huge market, and it will Python is a skill that will going to help you a lot.